Hey guys, what's up? Alright, this is Chad. I am about to go through how to use Kodi. This here is what Dana and I are giving out for Christmas presents. However, this video might also be useful for you if you have just recently purchased a Kodi or an Amazon Fire Stick or a Roku player or whatever device that can efficiently run Kodi. This is essentially just a how-to use video, not an how to install video. Alright, so let's go back to the main menu for Amazon Fire Stick. When you first plug in Amazon Fire Stick, you're going to see something along the lines of this. You're going to want to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. So you're going to want to go down to settings, and when you hit settings, you're going to scroll over to, I believe it's system, and then you're going to want to go to network, select network, select whichever network is yours at the house, and enter your password. I don't know it, you do. Put that in. Once it's accepted, it'll give you a dialog message saying that it's accepted. After which, go back to home. Over here on the left hand side, you see the sub menu. Alright, Kodi should be in your recent applications. So in home, you see recent. It should be in your recent applications, especially if you've just purchased this from somebody who has installed it for you, or if I've given it to you. If it's not in your recent applications, however, what you can do is you can scroll down to apps, select apps, go to your apps library, select that. Alright, mine popped up instantly, but if you give it about 60 seconds and yours needs to populate, it will populate. And you should see a big K somewhere in there. My K is right here. So I'm not going to select that. I'm going to go back to home, recent applications, or recent rather, and then select the big K from there. Either way, doesn't matter. It's the same thing. You click the big K from either location. Now this current Kodi build I have installed is TV add-ons build. However, no matter what build you have, if you select the videos option right there, you can go to video add-ons. And inside video add-ons should be all the content you would ever want to consume, no matter what program within Kodi it's going to be. I am a huge fan of Exodus, so inside video add-ons, Exodus is in there. However, on the build that I have, TV add-ons, Exodus is actually the #1 shortcut in the bottom left hand corner. So that makes it easy. So let's go on and select Exodus. So let's say, for instance, you want to watch a movie. You select movie, or movies rather, and you can search for a movie. You can look for the most popular movies. You can look for the most voted movies. You can look for movies in theaters. Whatever you want to do, you can select from here. But let's just say we go to what people are currently watching. So I'm selecting people watching. Alright, now I just watched this the other night, so I know, I'm just using this as an example. Sully. I'm going to click Sully. Alright, so within Sully, you have about 50 different options, and these options are called mirrors. What these mirrors are a exact duplicate of each other. I say exact. It's the data file is exact, but the quality, the resolution, the screen resolution is not exact. 1080p is going to be your highest screen resolution. HD is going to be your middle screen resolution, and you'll find below HD there are there are mirrors without a description as to what the resolution is, and those are considered SD, which would be standard definition. Standard definition is still fine to watch, but HD is a lot better, and 1080p is a little bit better than HD. However, I watch HD. I watch all of them, just whichever one works for me. So I already know that. Let's see here. Let's watch number 13. It's my Putlocker, which is the provider, the provider of that particular mirror. Let's watch that one. Okay. If you notice in the right hand corner you see a little red dot, that's because a application is updating, and that will go away the next time you start up Kodi. So if it bothers you, you can shut down Kodi and start it back up. But anyhow, I'll fast forward to about, let's say, 40 minutes in, and you can see that movie is playing just fine. So we're going to hit pause. Alright, and now we're going to hit the back button. I'm going to hit the left button now and go down here and hit the stop. I'm just going to stop that. Okay, so that's how to watch whatever movie you want to watch. Let's do TV shows. So, for instance, alright, so let's go back and make this simple. Here's Kodi home screen. This is what you see when you first start it up. We'll go back to Exodus, which is what I use for 99% of everything. And let's say we're going to watch a TV show. You select TV shows, which is right below movies. And let's say we want to watch Game of Thrones. So if you want to specifically search for a particular television show or movie, for that matter, go down here to the very bottom, click search, and then just proceed to type in Game of Thrones. Alright, Game of Thrones, hit done. Alright, what it's going to do is tell you every single search result with Game of Thrones in it. The very first option, provided you've spelled it correctly, should be what you're looking for. And it is, in this instant, Game of Thrones. I'm going to select the very first option. Now, let's say we're looking for... it doesn't matter what you're looking for. You can look for the most recent thing or the very first thing. It doesn't matter. Let's say we're looking for the most recent episode ever played on Game of Thrones. So that'd be Season 6. Select Season 6. Go down to Season 10. In the right-hand corner, you can see it was aired in on June 26, 2016. There you go. Select it. You're going to be populated with about 50 mirrors once again. And from those 50 mirrors, you select which content or which provider you want to watch. Alright, so we have about 10 HD and the rest of them are going to be SD. So let's just choose number 1 on the SD. Now, 1 through 10, if they're all SD, shouldn't really matter, you know, what the quality is. Just choose which one works the best. Sometimes you'll get one that has a very high amount of consumers trying to stream from that particular one, and if that's the case, just go to a different one, and then maybe it'll work. It's pretty high success rate. It's not that bad. It is a little bit of a learning curve to it. You know, sometimes you have to work at it, especially since it's free. But for free, you can't beat it. Anyway, that's how I use Kodi to watch movies and television shows for free. If you have any questions, you feel free to shoot me a text if you know my phone number. And my email is watts.chad@gmail.com. Alright, thanks.